Imagine a future where back and joint pain is tackled effortlessly. Hinge Health made that vision a reality. The journey begins with a growing need for effective, streamlined support in expanding digital health services for members. Initially, Hinge Health's support team operated through email, facing inefficiencies that stifled communication and extended resolution times. Seeking a solution, the company turned to Freshworks. This investment transformed their entire approach to customer service. Hinge Health initially started with 8 Freshworks seats but quickly expanded to an impressive 335. Scaling support capacities allowed ticket handling to surge from 5,600 to an astonishing 212,000 in record time. With centralized operations, Hinge Health now addresses various needs, from enrollment queries to tech support for wearables. Support got a significant upgrade with Freshworks AI features, enhancing member interactions while ensuring top-notch service. Freddy AI Copilot has empowered agents by simplifying communication, allowing for quicker, tailored responses to client inquiries. Hinge Health's commitment to high-quality support has led to improved customer satisfaction, ensuring a seamless experience for all.